Hi there. My name is Michael Jones. Welcome to the fourth video in this series. Investor and Crypto Videos for Beginners. Today, I am going to explain the basics around the safest way to store your cryptocurrencies. Investors can lose their crypto tokens as a result of theft, computer failure, loss of keys and more. Following are ways to store your cryptocurrency. 1. Hot wallet. 2. Cold wallet. 3. Physical coins. What is a hot wallet? Hot wallets are wallets that run on internet-connected devices like computers, phones, or tablets. This includes most exchange wallets, like Coinbase and Binance. While a hot wallet can be very convenient, in the way that you are able to access and make transactions quickly, they also lack security. If a crypto exchange is hacked and your account becomes compromised, you could potentially lose all your funds. While these wallets connected to the internet are at risk of attacks, they are still very useful to quickly make transactions or trade cryptocurrency. What is a cold wallet? The next type of wallet, and the safest option for storage, is a cold wallet. These wallets can also be referred to as offline wallets or hardware wallets. They are not connected to the internet. A hardware wallet is typically a USB drive device that stores a user's private keys securely. Hot wallets are usually unaffected by viruses, as they never come into contact with your network-connected computer or potentially vulnerable software. Cold wallets are the most secure way to store your Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. What are physical coins? Services are cropping up which allow crypto investors to buy physical coins. You can own your own physical Bitcoin and Ethereum coins. In order to purchase the physical coins, you may need to pay a slight premium over the value of the cryptocurrencies that you are buying.